Hello guys, and welcome to another video of my PHP tutorials. And in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a picture, or better, we already made a video about that, how to upload a picture in the register form. What I'm going to show you is how to use and how to that picture that you use appear as a user session picture. Okay, so in each and every page of the website, when you are logged in, you will see a picture, okay, the picture that you choose in the register form, and your name, okay, saying Victor's session or whatever name you typed. Okay, so to do that, we have here, just a second, let me put this a little bit, increase the size. So we have now a logged in user. Let's go out, let's go home, or sorry, let's log out .php, session destroyed. Okay, so now I'm going in with Rocky Balboa, and the password is Balboa. Log in. Okay, Rocky Balboa's session. And what I have here is the name, okay, the name of the session, okay, which is Rocky Balboa, and the logout link. But what I want here is, when I register, we've made here an input to choose a picture. If I choose a picture and then register, that picture is going to be stored in your server. Okay, so we will have to create for each and every user a new directory. So if you go to, this is a very cool feature that I'm going to show you how to do, which is create directories. Okay, so with a simple PHP script, whenever a user registers, a new directory will be created automatically, okay, for to store that user's either pictures, or you can make that user to be able to store whatever files he wants to upload to your server. Okay, so if you go to XAMPP directory, okay, and you go to htdocs, and this is our virtual server that XAMPP creates. We have here our test site directory. If you go there, I already have here profiles, but I'm going to delete this, okay, and you'll see that after we've created a new script in the insert, oops, okay, it's not possible to delete because he's probably using some of the pictures, because I already created a script to test it and it worked. So to delete this, what I have to do is come right here and close my Firefox, and let's see, okay, it's out. So we have a bunch of files, PHP files, okay, that where we have our scripts to run our website. And now whenever a new user registers, a profiles directory will be created automatically, and inside that it will be created for each and every new user that registers. It will be created a directory with his name, okay, and I will show you that later on. So let's go and open Notepad now. And the files that we will edit are insert.php and session.php. Okay, and we are going to start by in insert.php. Let's scroll down, and in here, before move uploaded file, we have to create a new line of code that we never did before, which is the make directory function, built-in function in PHP, which builds automatically new directories. Okay, so before we have to create directory variable directory, okay, and equals to, and pay attention because this is very important. We have to type dot. Okay, so this will append this new directory. Okay, the directory is profiles, and now we will type name and images. Okay, and what this is holding is a variable directory which is holding profiles. Okay, this is a new directory that PHP will create, profiles / name, which is whenever a directory that will have whatever name here is posted by the user. So it will create a new directory with his own name. Okay, so and then inside name, so if I register with name Victor, it will be profiles / directory name Victor / images. Okay, and inside the images is where we will place our profile picture. Okay, so now semicolon here, and in here we will need to type make dir function. Okay, and this is what we'll need to put inside it. First, we have to put the directory where that you want to create. Okay, so this is the directory that I want to create, and comma 0777 and this number is the chmod mode that we want for the directory. Okay, so if you don't know what chmod means, you can go and search that in the web. Chmod. Okay, these are types of different directories that we can create. Okay, so you can search that if you don't know how to identify a different chmod for a directory. Okay, so comma again, and now we type true. Okay, and what this is going to do is create this new directory here. Okay, so now what we want to do is change some things that we have already here, which is in here images pic. We have to change this. Let's leave my picture because my picture is the name of the uploaded file, and images we can leave that as well, but we need to put this thing here because is where is going to be the new picture file. So profiles and name. Okay, and basically that's it. And down here, what a pretty face. Let's change that. This will be your profile picture. And in here let's change this to 50 50 50, and in source we have also to change this. So let's type here profiles, and oops, sorry, name images my big. Okay, perfect. So that's it. That's it for insert.php. So now we have to go to session.php. Okay, and this is session.php is a little file that or a little script that is going to be in each. Remember that in the last video we did include the session.php, this script, in each and every page at the top. Okay, so what this does is output the name of the user that is using that session at that moment. Okay, and so you see here we echo that session, and then we have also the logout link, and this is where we will going to output the picture as well. Okay, so in every web page that you are using in the CRUD test site, it will appear your name and your picture. Okay, so this is like a little bit like a social network, like Facebook uses the picture of each session user, okay, in the page. So let's go here, and else in here we have to type a variable called dir equals, and now we type the directory, and the directory is profiles, and then the name, okay, the name of the user. And to do that we can use now the session name. Okay, so to use that we have to type here the dot to aggregate session variable, which holds the name, and concatenate double quotes, and the next was images, and that's it. And let's see, let's go down here now and type open, which is a new variable, which will hold a new line of code that we never did before as well, which is open directory. Okay, and what this does is will open the directory that we want. Okay, so the directory that we want is this one here, so we type in here the variable dir. Okay, and we always have to open the dir if we want to choose whatever file is in there. Okay, so I want to choose and output the file which is inside images for each session name for each user, which is going to be the picture file or the profile picture. So open dir, and now to see whatever file is in the images directory, I'm going to do a while loop. So let's type file equals read dir, which is another built-in function for reading directories. So this function will read the directory open, okay, which is open dir, which is this one here. Okay, and so open, and this is going to be while files read dir open is not equal to false. So if exists that directory, if it has something in it, I want to echo let's say files. So let's see what this does for now. So let's open our browser, and let's go to localhost. Localhost test site home, and in here I want to register as a new user. So what I'm going to type here is, let's say Maradona 10 and Maradona 10 hotmail.com, and password is oops, oh my god, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Browse, and I have a little picture here of Maradona, and open. Okay, hopefully this will there it is. Okay, this will be your profiles picture. You have successfully registered. Log in now. Okay, let's change this profile picture. So we have to go here and go to insert.php, and where is this? Here. This will be your profile picture. Okay, if we refresh, not now, refresh this, resend. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's go back. Oops. Let's go home, and here Maradona 10, and in here 1 2 3 4 5. If I log in, I go in, and what happens here is that I have the images.jpg already placed in the new created directory. And how do I know that? Because if I go here, let's go to our test site, and you see htdocs test site, and you see that a new directory have been created, profiles. If I click profiles, I have Maradona 10, okay, a new directory for a new user, images, and if I click images, I have my uploaded image. Perfect. Okay, so images.jpg. Okay, what I want now to do is to I want to take this name and output it as a file in here. And to do that, let's go to Notepad, and here in session I have to go here and type an if statement. Okay, and this is an if statement that you'll need to use because to avoid some little confusion about the dots to move in from moving directory. But just bear with me and copy this, and you'll have no problems at all. So if file is not equal to a dot, or file is not equal to 2 dots, and file is not equal to the thumbs .db, echo, and what I'm going to echo is image border equals 1, you can say, width equals single quotes equals 50, and height equals 50, and the source, this is important, the source, this is where the file is going to, where the echo or the image tag is going to get the file. So we have to say that we want the file to be searched in here, okay, which is the dir. We can use the dir slash the name of the file, okay. So the file is going to be neither a dot, neither two dots, or thumbs.php. If you pay close attention, we have here, if I refresh, I have here thumbs.db will be always be created automatically, okay. So I want to avoid to output this and this points here, 1 and 2 points, okay. So whatever image I have, .gpg or .whatever, it will be, that is the one file that will be outputted as a picture. So okay, I think that's it. So here I have to close this, and here semicolon, and down here, let's save this, down here let's leave that like that. So let's go back, and if I refresh now, undefined variable on line 15, undefined variable on line 15, which is the, oops, here, let's change this, instead of files is file. Save that, let's go back, refresh, and I have here the picture, but I still have files somewhere. So files is in here. Let's refresh, let's go back, refresh, and perfect. I have my picture and Maradona's, my name, okay, perfect. And now what I want to do is give it a little space here. So you see also you can change the size of the picture. If I want, for example, let's say 70, by default it will be outputted as 70, see? Okay, I'm going to give a little space here, and to do that what I have to do is, where is it? In here I have to type the magic NBSB, okay, and this will give a little space there. So if I refresh, there's it. Okay, and if I go to edit user, I still have the picture there. Let me push this a little bit up, and you'll see better. And if I delete user, I also have the session there. If I go to search, Maradona session and the picture there. So if I log out, session destroyed. Okay, so that's how we can do for every user to have his own picture whenever he's in session. Okay, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can change, okay, or update your picture of your profile whenever you want. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.